All right, guys, time for math. Make sure you have your check my progress and your hundreds chart ready to go. All right. Before we get started on these, we're going to do a little warm up. And we're going to practice some time cards as well, like we did yesterday. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, for our math warm up today, we are not going to do a counting song. We're actually going to just practice these cards. Also, there's not a new number talk today, but your number talk answers are due today, along with your STEM activity pictures as well, if you want to be in the videos for Monday. Okay, so I will re-link that video in the email to make sure that you guys can see it again if you need to, and hopefully you'll send in those answers for me. All right, now for this, I'm going to hold up the card, and I would like you to tell me what time it is on the card. This is what we learned yesterday in math. We talked about time to the half hour on these analog clocks. And when the minute hand, or the longer hand, is pointing to the 6, we say 30 for the minutes, okay? We still say the hour that the hour hand has just passed, okay, first. So this one, the hour hand has just passed the 11, and the minute hand is on the 6, so that's 30. So 11:30, okay? This one is 2:30. This one is, see how it's just past that number? 8:30. What do you think this one is? The hour hand, the shorter hand, has just passed by what number? 6. And the minute hand is also pointing at the 6, so it's 6:30. Okay, not 6:6, but 6:30. Okay. 3:30. What number has it just passed? The 7. 7:30. 5:30. On this one, the hour hand is not yet to the 6, so it's just past the 5, but we're still pointing at the 6, which means we say 30. 10:30. Okay, this one is just past the 12. Okay, it's not to the 1 yet, so it's 12:30. This one is just past the 9, so not to the 10 yet. 9:30. 1:30 and 4:30. Okay, so that was a little warm up, a little review. Again, if it's still tricky for you, no worries. We're going to spend a little bit more time on time in first grade, but in second grade, you do a lot more with time. All right, great job, guys. All right, guys, here we are, ready to do the check my progress, okay? I'm going to do all the reading for you, and I want you to choose your answers for me, and I'm not going to give you the answers today. This is one of the papers that I need mom or dad or you to take a picture of, both the front side and the back side, and send it to me, okay? So I need a picture of the front and the back of your check my progress today. All right, first a vocabulary check. Complete each sentence. You can use cubes and paper clips to measure. Each cube or paper clip is 1 length or 1 unit. Okay. You can measure how long an object is or its length or unit. Okay, I'm going to read both of those again. Choose which word. Number 1. You can use cubes and paper clips to measure. Each cube or paper clip is 1 length or 1 unit. Okay. You can measure how long an object is or its length or its unit. Now, sadly, we're not at school, so we did not spend a lot of time on these vocabulary words using the cards like we would normally do and have them on the board. But try your best and see if you can understand which words go in those blanks. Okay? Concept check. Compare. Circle the shorter object. Number 3, which one of these is shorter, the pencil or the chalk? And in number 4, which one of these is shorter, the bicycle or the skateboard? Circle the shorter object. Okay, this one says order the objects by length. Write 1 for short, 2 for shorter, and 3 for the shortest. So we're going to start with 3. Okay, this one is 3, and I will give you that help right there. Okay, so then you need to number the other ones in order. Okay, so if 3 is the shortest, that would make 1 the longest. Turn it over. Oh, and don't forget, you can pause anytime you need to. Number 6, order the objects by length. Write 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. So on this one, the longest one is 3 and the shortest is 1. All right. Now for this one, you need to get your paper clips back out and you need to measure how many units long this marker is, with units being the paper clips. Okay, and then write how many you got about right there. Okay. Pause the video right there to measure those, okay? Number 8, Gia has a box, a globe, and an apple. The box is longer than the globe. The globe is longer than the apple. Is the apple longer than or shorter than the box? Listen one more time, and then you're going to circle longer than or shorter than, okay? Gia has a box, a globe, and an apple. The box is longer than the globe. The globe is longer than the apple. Is the apple longer than or shorter than the box? And number 9, what object is longer than the pencil? Which one of these 4 things, there's only one, which one is longer than the pencil? Color in that circle for the one that you think is longer. All right, and then ask mom or dad if you don't know how, or use the camera on your tablet to take a picture of this, the front side and the back side, because it's one of the things that's due today. Okay, awesome. Then we're going to get started on what is actually independent work. Okay, so pause the video if you need to and get this out. All right, this is your independent work. You just need to write your name up here, okay? And you need to write the numbers for me, please. Okay, you're only writing to 100, and you're going to start with 1. And you move this way. Okay, this is your independent work. I also need a picture of this. All right, great job, guys. Once you're done with your independent work in math, you can get your STEM project baggie ready to go, okay? And that just means having it out and then starting the video so we can move forward with that. Great job in math today, guys.